This is Dr. Reckwerg R6 influenza drop. It is a homeopathic medicine that can help in the management of viral infections like influenza through a proprietary blend of several homeopathic herbs like brynia, camphor, and causticum. It can be used in the management of colds and irritation of the mucous membranes. The formulation aids in reducing fever, headache, piercing pain, and inflammation. Regular consumption aids in managing symptoms of influenza and the discomfort associated with it. The drop may help relieve headaches and congestion. The medicines are in this medicine, the common remedies present are Baptisia, Brynia, Camphor, Causticum, Eucalyptus, Eupatorium perfolatum, Ferrum phos, Gelsemium, and Sabadilla. It is used in fever, headache, congestion, and piercing pain. The key benefits of this medicine are it helps in managing typhoid fever, stupor, lethargy, and irritation of the mucous membrane. It contains brynia that assists in catarrhal fever, headache, piercing pain, and inflammation of the serous tissue. Causticum aids in managing sensation of the rawness of mucosa, hollow cough, and weakness of the sphincter of the bladder. The eucalyptus in this formulation aids in managing general agitation and accelerated breathing, weariness and rigidity of limbs, headache and fever. Eupatorium helps manage the fever with sensation of prostration, catarrhal inflammation of the upper air passages with a tendency to cough and sensation of the rawness of mucus. That is mucosa membrane. Ferrum phos is a remedy for fever and inflammation, low pulse and rush towards the head. Gelsemium helps manage congestive headache, sleeplessness, shivering, and prostration. Take 10 to 15 drops in some water every 15 minutes in acute condition to 2 hours, and in chronic condition of fever and cough take 10 drops 4 times daily. Thank you.